Hey guys, it's me, Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. And yes, the lightning is better. Your girl is glowing, okay? Anyways, yes, as you guys can see from by the title, I'll be waxing my brows. These brows right here. So I have my sugar wax already inside of this thing right here. And I'm just gonna get right into it. The mirror ain't blocking you. Yeah, probably. But you guys see my brows. Anyways. I'm so nervous, honestly. And all you do this if you trust yourself enough too. But I do trust myself, so I don't mind. Oh. Oh. Anyways, guys, I can't find my tweezer, what I've been looking for. But yeah. Don't ask me why is that bump. I don't know where it come. I don't know where it come from, so right now I'm just gonna do my other eyebrow. As you guys can see, the other side I'm about to be doing. And remember, I am not a professional, so do not come for me on in the comments. I know, okay? If you're giving me suggestions, fine, you can comment down below. But if you're criticizing what I did, please keep your comment to yourself. Thank you. Also, if you have any questions, since I'm not an expert inside of this, I suggest that you check out my friend Flo Ann and you just inbox her. I'll just leave her page in my description box down below. I'm finished with my brows. And I was about to conceal my brows, so that's like have a nice, you know. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. Brows are all good. My brows are all good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It pretty much, if you trust yourself, go ahead and wax your brows. If you don't, then don't wax your brows. Then just wait until quarantine is over and get your brows done. Okay? See you guys in my next waxing video. I'll be waxing my legs. Okay? I'll be waxing my legs. So stay tuned. Before you go, please check out my previous video, which will be my description box down below. So just check out my channel and watch my previous videos and leave a like, comment, and share. Let me just okay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys. Bye. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ajaeli.01. That is AJAELE.01. And on Snapchat, EXO28_beauty. That is me.